Guess what? We have doors. And we have floors. Look at these beautiful floors. We have floors for days. All down the hall, all in the classrooms, and even down here in the activity room, we have carpet squares. Ooh, fun. We've started taking the weekends to move in furniture out of my garage and into all of the classrooms so that we're ready for staging the week of Thanksgiving. And so much more concrete. So now we have all the way around the loop, and the only thing that we lack is the front driveway. But they've been working on the aprons to take us out to the road and clearing this up to connect the two buildings. So clearly there's a lot of things that are happening very quickly, and progress will only continue to go this fast. We are really excited because the playgrounds are going to be starting to be installed on Thursday, and I know the kids are going to love seeing that. All working towards our end goal of moving our VPK and before and after school program into the ranch on December 1st and having our big grand opening open house celebration on Saturday, December 6th. Hope to see you all there, and you'll get more details as we get closer. Thanks, guys, for your support and encouragement. We're almost there.